Baykar Bayraktar Tactical Block 2 is an armed unmanned aerial vehicle produced by Turkey-based Baykar Defense. The entire infrastructure of Baykar Bayraktar TB2, designed by Baykar Defense Road Team in accordance with military and civil aviation standards, has been produced in Turkey. The system first entered the Turkish Armed Forces inventory in 2014. The total number of flight hours in the intense wars and operations where Bayraktar TB2 is used has exceeded 500,000. Thus, Bayraktar TB2 became the Turkish-made UAV, Shah, which served the longest in the sky, in general. Bayraktar TB2, which has a different tail design, longer wingspan, and higher takeoff weight, was developed and put into mass production instead of TB1. The first flight of TB2 took place in 2014. In the first phase, 6 terabytes to S were delivered and put into service on November 22, 2014. Baykar Defense announced to the public that TB2 was exported to 22 countries with the news he shared on his social media account. Only 14 of these user countries are publicly known, the other 8 countries are unknown.